Okay, so this is camera the main sewer line 4002 South Quebec Street. This is after the line has been repaired and after it has been cleaned. So just repaired the low section here. So we drop into the line from the cleanouts. We're going back towards the house. We've got PVC plastic piping, goes to clay. Clay does have some tree roots entering, so it will need to be maintained. There are some other low sections in this line, like right there. They're light. Another low section. It has some low sections off and on, so we've got a little bit of standing water as we go into the cast iron. Again though, all of them are like an inch deep or less, so the one that had about 3 inches of standing water was where the repair was made. So we're into the cast iron, we're inside of the house. Got another little low section here in the cast. Kind of zigzags around. Just a tie-in on the left. Okay, and then we're going to go from 4 to 3 inch piping right here, 50 feet. Turn. Okay, and there's the vertical, there's the plastic, so the cast iron looks okay at this time. We don't really know the longevity of the cast, it just looks okay. We don't see any issues with it other than some low sections that are acceptable for flow. It will need maintained just like the clay line, tree roots. Cast iron gets built up over time. Okay, and now we're back at the cleanouts again. Now we're going to go through the one that's going to take us towards the city main. So we drop into that line again. PVC, plastic piping. A little bit of debris still sitting there. That area is almost slightly flat, the plastic, but it did correct the low section. The low section, again, about 3 inches of standing water, definitely corrected. Okay, and that's the tap connection to the city main, 52 feet. The line looks okay now.